Okay, so basically what I wanted to convey here was that the three charts, which I said a couple of times earlier on also. One is the Char Dham, which we call. Second is the Masnui Graha, and today is the friendship enmity thing. These three are the basic foundation of Lal Kitab grammar. Okay, and that, like I told you earlier on also, we need to know it by heart and by logic also. Then only progressing ahead makes sense. Okay. So the first two we have already taken care of, which is the Char Dham and also the Masnui Graha. Okay, so that I think those charts are pretty clear. Everything you just need to revise the thing, look into the what is it called recordings earlier on. Now today's recording, uh, Pritiben, you're there? आपका कैमरा ऑफ हो गया. Pritiben, are you there? So basically today's topic, which is the friendship enmity Samaka thing, how I want to go about it is, see the video, which is actually like a tutorial, is already uploaded on the net. Okay, so again doing that thing doesn't make sense. You can always see that again and again. Today what I want to do is one-on-one, I want to explain that entire story. Because this, frankly speaking, this chart, according to me, is the most difficult out of all three of them. Okay, because like if there are two planets, this guy hitting this guy may look like a friend, and this one looking at this might be enemy, and then there are hazard permutation combinations. So if this story gets into your head, you will be able to get any of the combinations like this, pat karke. Okay, and I have tested it on myself. If I can do it, you can do it. So today's this thing, what we'll do is I will run you through that entire story. Okay, and rather than me asking you questions, or rather than it being a tutorial for you, it might end up becoming an exam for me, because I want you to sort of catch me on the wrong foot, or catch point out if there are any mistakes in my this thing or any ambiguity. So what happens is becomes like an exam for me, and if I made any mistake, I can rectify it. Okay, so please don't hold back from pulling me up, because by you pulling me up is actually improving me. So don't feel that kaise puchu. If you feel something I'm doing wrong or some connection is not coming correct, just convey it directly to me. Okay. So now basically the story, like I said earlier also, is a hypothetical story. Okay. It doesn't connect to anybody. So please don't draw parallels anywhere. Uh, as the story goes, many times I say I. What I mean by I is the person whose kundli you're looking into. So since I have sort of framed it around my kundli. So I am saying I, but it is not I. It is the native. It is the person whose kundli it is, and then the relation goes that way. So whosoever kundli you're looking at, that is that I. But for discussion sake, today I'll be talking about I as me. Okay. Now the family कैसा है देखो, and each word को ध्यान में रखो, because those are the catchwords. So basically it is me, okay, my father, my mother, my brother. These are my immediate blood family. Okay, so me, my mother and father, and my younger brother. Then my wife, my daughter, and my son. Okay, so these are the members of the family. And then there are two elements which come into play. One is work, mehnat. Everybody does work, so work comes into play. And then there is dhua or nasha, or the bad component. Good component, bad component. So these two. Now, if you want to make notes as we go along, because then it will be easy for you to draw the parallels. So me, as in the native, is sun, Surya. Okay. The father is Jupiter. Okay, so I'll start from Jupiter and go downwards. So Jupiter is my father, who is a wise old man, retired person. Bobby, तुमचा कॅमेरा तोंडावरती करा, खालती गेला.
Yeah.
So, so basically the father is a very simple man. Mark these words because that is going to help you later on. Simple man, retired person, okay, and respects women. Okay, these are the three catchwords for that person. So Jupiter is the father. mother is moon, and all these karak are as per Lal Kitab, okay? I am not made of anything. So mother is moon. Mother is a capable woman, okay? Comparatively contemporary, but a very capable woman, and partially night blind, you can say. In the sense, Raat ko she is uncomfortable. She cannot see properly at night. So these are the mother and father ka thing. Then comes to the main native, or let's say me. The main native, I have named him as Shravan Bal. I hope all of you know who was Shravan Bal. He was the one who took his old parents on that thing and went, and then the fellow king killed him and all those things. So Shravan Bal. Why Shravan Bal?
Dashrath Raja.
Why Shravan Bal, you'll understand in some time. Basically, very, very devout son. Okay, you'll understand the relation of this. Otherwise, the story. Also, a very devout brother. So he loves his brother. So this is the immediate blood family, so to say. Now the relation is such, if you want to sort of weave a story at this point only, is that the father and the two sons, that is me, my younger brother and the father, are like buddies. So, you know, we spend a lot of time together, we joke together, maybe we sit together and have a drink or whatever like that. So basically, these three are buddies. The mother is nice with everyone, but the youngest fellow, she is pampered. Me, also she is pampered. Okay. So this is the blood family. So अभी ये जो दिमाग में आया तो उसको बाजू में रखो. Now the outsiders who come in. So first one who comes in is my wife. Okay. I forgot to say Mars is also brother. Okay. In astrology, Mars is the brother. So this younger brother is Mars. And I forgot to tell you one more thing, that he's a nikamma. Nikamma in the sense he's not a bad character fellow, but he doesn't do any work. नुसता पडलेला असतो. You know, spoiled brat म्हणतात ना तशा टाईपचं आहे. So the father is a very upright guy, retired guy. Mother is a very capable woman, but night blind. I am that Shravan Bal sort of a fellow, and my younger brother is a Nikama. This is the blood family. Now the wife who comes in is a very capable woman, young lady. Okay, she's comparatively much modern as compared to the Shravan Bal. So she is a modern lady, very outgoing lady, and she has a liking for, you know, that nightlife, like pubbing and partying and all that sort of thing. Okay. So she, in a way, is quite different from me. Okay, so she wants to have all the fun and this thing, and I am more of the soft, homely types. Now we have got two kids. The older one is a daughter, who, like I had written over there, is a Durguni Karti. Okay, Durguni Karti means she'll do everything which I wouldn't want her to do. Okay, so she will smoke. She'll wear clothes which I will be very this thing about, apprehensive about. Okay, she'll want to go out at night, all those sort of things. But I love her because, like a father loves a daughter, so I love her whatever way she is. Okay, she is the typical daughter who wants to control the father. ये खाऊ नकोस, इथे बस, किती cigarette ओढतो, किती दारू पितो, किती हे ते, you know, the typical daughter. So that is the thing. Then the youngest one is the son, who's pretty young, okay, but he is actually a good boy, epitome of, you know, a good boy. So everything about him is good. He's pretty young, so that is the thing. And so if you want to know the planets, I am the sun, the wife becomes Venus, my brother becomes Mars, my daughter becomes Mercury, and the sun becomes Ketu. Okay. So till now we have taken Jupiter and Moon, mother, father, me and my wife, Sun and Venus, my younger brother Mars, my daughter Mercury, and my son Ketu. Family झाली सगळी कळलं? Okay. If you're Shruti, you want to ask something?
Saturn is missing.
आला अजून कुठे पोहोचलो नाही. Saturn and Rahu दोन झाले. हे म्हटलं फॅमिली झाली ना. आता the two elements which are going to play an important role are, one is Saturn. So Saturn basically signifies work because it is karma karak, work, karma karak. Saturn, and it also you will be looking at it as night, because Saturn is also considered as night. you know, the 24 hours of the day have been designated to all the 9 planets, starting from Jupiter at sunrise. 2 hours before sunrise, that is 4 to 6 is given to Ketu, then Jupiter, then Sun, ऐसा करके करके जाता है, and end में the full night from रात को 8 to morning 4 a.m. is given to Saturn. So that's why Saturn, you have to look at it as night. So Saturn is the night part or the work part, and Rahu is the dhua or the nasha. If you remember, I always keep telling you Rahu is dhua. Okay, so dhua pakad lo, nasha pakad lo, whatever it is, that is your this thing. क्या बोलते हैं? Rahu. Now, at this point of time, if you want to ask any sort of a relation between these, ask me. You know, anything that you want to know, what sort of a character has been woven, because if need be, then I will elaborate on that. I will say it is not required. So anything I want to know as of now, Mars younger brother काम नहीं करता है. So if you want to ask me what he doesn't do any work. If you feel you are going to require any help on any planet, ask me now.
फादर और एल्डर सन का, एल्डर लड़के का क्या रिलेशन है?
एल्डर लड़की का,
लड़के का फादर, देन सन एंड यंगर ब्रदर, नो?
son मुझे I am the son,
Okay.
and I am my younger brother, and I am the father. So we three are buddies, very close.
Okay.
We three sit together, share a joke, share a drink, everything. So we are like buddies.
Okay.
That is the most important thing.
But mother is neglected.
Mother is not neglected. Mother is a very capable woman. Mother is very, very friendly with all three of us. She loves all of us. In fact, the youngest fellow, even though he's a nikamma, is the apple of her eye, because you know the typical youngest kid like that. Okay, and I being the Shravan bar, she also dotes upon me. So that once you see the green, blue, red thing, that it will all draw parallels.
Okay.
Any other relation question you want to ask here? Shruti, Trupti, Rishikesh, Pritiben, Dilipata, all okay, all clear so far? So this is the story. Frankly speaking, I have brainstormed on this, and this story is enough to get all the green, blue things over there. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll share the screen. Okay, and then we'll actually draw random pair this thing. Okay, you can ask any relation, or let's do it that way. Let's play a game. Okay, just now it came to my mind. Rather than me showing the chart, let us just take two random things. Okay, and I will prompt you and you answer, and then we'll check it on the chart. Okay, so you know, in the process you will also learn. So let us say Mercury and Venus का क्या संबंध है? How are the dots? You understand this, no? एक ध्यान में रखो. Let us say sun and moon temporary पकड़ो. ये sun है, ये moon है. So there is a line with two dots over here, correct? So if this is sun and this is moon, मैं purposely ऐसा दिखा रहा हूँ sun. And if the dot going here, let us say, is green, that means that sun considers moon as a friend.
Right.
And let us say this dot is red, it is that moon considers sun as an enemy. Okay, I'm just giving an example. So Mercury and Venus पकड़ लेते हैं. Okay, I will help you all initially, then you all can start answering. Mercury कौन है?
Doctor.
Daughter.
Venus कौन है?
Mother.
Wife.
Wife.
After the character which are woven, what is the character of the girl? What is common between the girl and the wife?
They enjoy nightlife.
Nightlife, pubbing, that sort of a thing. Now, if there are two of a kind, what sort of a relation will they be having? Friendly की enmity की टक्कर? Friendly ना? की चल आज तिकडे दारू प्यायला जाऊ, अरे तुझा छान ड्रेस आहे, मी तुझा ड्रेस घालू का? You know, that sort of a thing. Okay. Now I'll give a little difficult one. Moon and Mercury चा काय relation आहे? Moon माझा
Granddaughter.
correct, grandmother and granddaughter.
Friends again.
Listen, you have to be careful. You don't look at it in general life. Look at it from this story.
अच्छा.
ती मुलगी दुर्गुणी आहे. आजीचं काय आउटलुक असणार towards the दुर्गुणी character?
He will not like her.
She will not like it. So she'll say, very bad, don't do this, chid karna. And what would a young girl look at the grandmother like, you know? Something like what Bobby was saying, but expand on that. She might pull her cheek and say, Aji, kai naho, don't worry, you are from an old generation.
Neutral.
No, neutral nahi, premani bolat ase na. She could be talking to a grandmother. You see, mother might whack, a grandmother might shout, she won't whack. So the granddaughter might be pulling the grandmother cheek and say, don't worry, you are from older generation. Today it's not like that, it is different, like that. So, so from Mercury to Moon, it's a friendly thing. But from Moon to Mercury, it is a red enmity.
Mercury to Moon is red.
If you'll have a chart in front of you, cross check it. Anyone has a chart in front of you?
No.
So you mean that moon is friends with Mercury? No, sir. Moon is red with Mercury, but Mercury is green
With,
moon.
okay, we'll cross check 1 minute. Let's cross check. आता कुठलाही बघितलं तरी ते लेट्स सी मर्क्युरी आणि मून इकडे दिसतंय. Mercury is the granddaughter, is green towards Moon, and Moon, who's the grandmother, is red towards Mercury. If any one of you has this chart in front of you, we don't need to go back and forth. You can cross check. If you have, anyone has a printout, color printout of that thing? Or you can keep it on the screen. Shruti, I read it. So basically, once, don't look at it, but when we give the sort of answer, no, then you cross check over there. Okay. Now, tell me when you're ready, then I'll proceed. Shruti, you're ready with the chart in front of you? Okay. Now don't look at the chart. Don't get prejudiced by the chart. Just stay away from the chart. Now I will ask a relation between Mars and Sun. Again, I'll help you. Mars कौन है?
Mars is our younger brother.
My younger brother. Sun कौन है?
Me.
Me. स्वतः बरोबर. What is my relation with my brother? I just said brother, father.
Friends it.
Very friend, buddies. Buddies, I said. I didn't say friends. Buddies.
Buddy.
So then, what will be the relation here and there, both ways?
Friends.
Both green.
Both green. Correct. You want to check, Shruti? You can check if you want. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to another random thing. Let us take. Let's tell Mercury and Sun. Sun कौन है? Me. Mercury कौन है?
Daughter.
Daughter. So what is the dots कशे आहेत? Which is green and which is blue and which is red? Don't look.
Sun is green towards daughter.
Correct.
And daughter is neutral towards
Correct.
sun.
बरोबर कळलं? कसं? See, एक लक्षात ठेवा. Blue ना, which is neutral, you look at it as थांबा, or look at it as I will control you. So it's neither a love nor a hate relation. It is a thamba relation, or let me control you sort of thing. Okay. So the daughter is trying to control the father. So the dot which will go towards the father will be a blue one. Correct? But like I told in my earlier story, that the father loves the daughter irrespective of whatever is going on. So there's a green dot. Okay. Now let us look at let's look at one story, one combination. Uska story मैंने नहीं बताया था, but basically tell me the relation with the dots between Jupiter and Moon. Now you'll answer one by one. What is Jupiter? What is Moon? And then tell me. But you might miss out over there, but that's okay. I'll tell you what it is.
Jupiter is father and mother is moon.
Correct. And what is the relation like?
Nice.
Color सांग मला. Nice and असं नाही. Color
Jupiter is neutral towards moon, and moon is green towards Jupiter.
आपण तू ते बघून सांगतोय.
Huh?
तू बघून सांगतोय. तू बघून नाही सांगत आहे ना चार्ट?
नाही बघून नाही सांगितलं. तुझं तो व्हिडिओ मी ऐकला आता संध्याकाळी स्टडी केला.
ओके व्हेरी
आठवतंय तेवढं सांगू शकतो.
एकदा परफेक्ट सांगितलं तू, म्हणून मला जरा डाऊट आला की
नाही आत्ताच मी स्टडी केला 1 तासापूर्वी.
Okay, one point I forgot to tell in the family thing is that the father and the mother are childhood friends, like college मध्ये होते or whatever that. So the father, if you remember, I said one specifically that he respects women. So if you see Jupiter relation with his wife, Moon, his daughter-in-law, Venus, and his granddaughter, Mercury, they will all be blue. So, any woman he respects. Mono, I had said that he respects women. It's neither love nor hate. It's respect, namaskar sort of. Okay. So from Jupiter to Moon, it is blue, but the mother still takes the husband as a childhood friend only. We often call him it. So the Moon looks at father with a green dot. Okay, this I forgot to say earlier on. That's why I said there might be a difficulty. Now let's make it a little difficult, which might not come out directly, but थोड़ा सा डोका वापरा लगता है मुझे कि let us see the relation between Saturn and Mars. ये जरा थोड़े से जरा brainstorming वाले हैं, so I'll help you out over there.
सॅटर्न आणि मार्स मध्ये ना
What is Saturn? What is Mars first?
मार्स इज गिव्हिंग रेड टू सॅटर्न कारण त्याला काम करायला अजिबात आवडत नाही.
नाही सॅटर्न इज ब्लू आपलं हा ब्लू टू
नाही Mars to Saturn is brother to work.
हा तर ते रेड असावं असं मला वाटतं.
Correct. Because he hates work, so work is enemy for him. Now what? This you might need a little bit of talking from me, but what do you think would be Saturn's reaction to Mars?
सॅटर्न बिचारा त्याला काम देत जाणार आहे, सो मे बी न्यूट्रल किंवा
ब्लू आहे ब्लू
नाही काम देत बसणार इज नॉट अ थिंग. इफ यू रिमेंबर माय वर्ड आय सेड थांबा or let me control you. काय ना Saturn by itself is called the न्यायाधीश.
Nyayatish, yes.
Okay, but when he comes in touch with Rahu Ketu, together they become Papi Graho ki Toli.
Totally.
So by himself, Shani is not bad because he's been branded bad. Shani, Sati, Sade Sati, and all that thing. So it is not bad. So Saturn is a Nyayadish. What will a Nyayadish do? He will try to get the fellow on track. Huh?
Yes.
So Mars ने समझा थाम बाबा ये दुर्गुण करू नको थाम let me control you, come on track. So Saturn towards Mars is blue.
Yes.
So Shruti, you are right, but the logic is little different. So you don't go out of the story. म्हणजे कळलं ना? So you will not miss out on that. Now, okay, let us look at Mars and Mercury. Mars and Mercury. Mars कोण आहे? Brother.
अंकल, मर्क्युरीज अंकल.
बरोबर. Mercury is the niece म्हटलं बरोबर. तर मार्सचं मर्क्युरीच्या कडे काय सॉर्ट ऑफ दृष्टिकोन असणार? व्हॉट सॉर्ट ऑफ लुक विल ही हॅव?
न्यूट्रल.
करेक्ट. वाय? बिकॉज काय तिचं काही देणं घेणं नाही. शी इज ऑन हर ओन ट्रिप. लाईक आय सेड, शी इज ऑन हर ओन ट्रिप. काका इज ऑन हिज ओन ट्रिप. त्यामुळे त्यांचं असं काय बडीज आहे किंवा असं टाईपचं नाही. ओके.
मग रेड डॉट काय आहे?
हा,
रेड डॉट काय आहे मार्स आणि मर्क्युरी मध्ये?
रेड डॉट आहे फ्रॉम Mercury to Mars.
मर्क्युरी टू मार्स
अच्छा, ओके.
So that daughter is angry with the uncle because she feels that the uncle is a nikamma and he is living off her father's money. म्हणजे my money. Like that. वाटतं तुला हे जरा स्टोरी डोक्यामध्ये आली ना की ती बसून जाणं फाटकन. सो द अंकल तो म्हणतो तुला काय पाहिजे ते करणं, माझं काय देणं घेणं नाही. नायदर डू आय लव्ह यू नॉर आय हेट यू, तू तुझं काय कर बाबा. सो इट्स अ न्यूट्रल साईन. बट शी इज व्हेरी अँग्री की बाबा हो मी निकमी असेल ठीक आहे, पण तू त्याला माझ्या बापाच्या पैशावरती का जातो? यू नो दॅट सॉर्ट ऑफ. ओके. नाव लेट अस टेक ओके आय for this you will have to fall back onto the original image which I had done for friendship or thing. Jupiter and Rahu चा काय? Don't look at it. एक minute, I'll just be back in a minute. I'm stopping the recording.
Family member आहे. But that means Jupiter and Rahu must be neutral to each other.
If you remember in that earlier chart which I had given, I had said that this might need to step up. If you remember the chart which I had given, those three families I had given that. So if you remember, I had said Jupiter, it's a blue line करून Rahu Ketula asa blue होतो. Basically, Rahu, Ketu and Saturn, which is Papi Graho ki Toli, is neutral towards the father. Okay, because he's a senior citizen. काय देणं घेणं नाही, त्याच्याकडून काय त्याला त्रास नाही द्यायचा की त्याला काय भलं करायचं नाही. They are both equal that way. So basically Rahu, Ketu and Saturn by default. So look at it like a blue line coming from Jupiter going this way and Rahu Ketu म्हणजे Papi Toli. हे blues धरा. So दोन्ही बाजूला blue आहे.
बरोबर.
बरोबर? Shruti, just check and tell. Is it correct? Yeah. If you get a story in your head, no, I'm 100% sure you will never go wrong. I have just done this story yesterday in the afternoon and once revision केलेलं and today I'm talking to you.
मनीष एक बेसिक प्रश्न विचारू
हा विचार.
see when for everybody may it be a woman or a man
Venus is the spouse.
ha so
I realize you were
it's
asking.
always a lady ha
Yeah. नाही, Venus is the spouse असं धरतात. पण जसं मी म्हटलं सारखं, don't look at it that way. Look at this as a story. So the story's protagonist, the main guy is the man. असं धरून चालतं. Because see, I had to imagine it in one manner. No, त्यामुळे I have put it like that. So man and woman असं नव्हतं, but Venus is always a wife, but Venus can also be considered as a spouse also.
हा कारण म्हणजे लेडी आहे म्हणून ती स्वतः विनस आणि वाईस वर्षा असं होत नाही.
पण तसं ते गणित करत बसू नकोस. Just look at this story as a story.
ओके ओके
म्हणजे तो जो हिरो आहे तो ऑब्वियसली मॅन आहे आणि ती बाई आहे. ओके, नाव लेट अस टेक अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ राहू अँड केतू. व्हॉट डू यू थिंक? राहू अँड केतू.
मला वाटतं रेड असावं कारण की तो गुड बॉय आहे ना एकदम केतू.
नाही, एक बाय डिफॉल्ट देयर आर 2-3 फॉर्म्युला विच यू हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड. राहू केतू बाय डिफॉल्ट आर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, आणि दुसरा एक फॉर्म्युला एक लक्षात ठेवा, एक नीट लिहून ठेवा. एक राहू केतू म्हणजे फ्रेंड धरूनच चालतं. देयर इज नो, बिकॉज दे आर ऍक्च्युअली द नॉर्थ नोड अँड द साऊथ नोड ऑफ मून. Okay, so they are actually, and if you want to know the story of Rahu Ketu was one person. Rahu Ketu, but Dev and Danav असे ते line असायचं. So this Rahu Ketu, which was one person.
आहेत ना मला वाटतं.
नाही, तिथे नाही ते.
हा अच्छा.
राहू केतू was one person ज्यांनी सगळ्या देवांना शेंडी लावून त्यांच्या लाईनीमध्ये घुसून जाऊन अमृत प्यायला होता. आणि मग जेव्हा when विष्णू saw that, त्यांनी विष्णू की कोण I don't know, त्यांनी सुदर्शन चक्राने त्याचे डोकं कापून टाकलं होतं. But by then he had already taken the अमृत. So that's why he got into the Devkaven. असं आहे. So that's why Rahu is extreme intelligence. Like Mercury is considered as knowledge. जे सगळ्यांनाच असतं. But Rahu is that thing beyond knowledge. It is that intellect. म्हणजे you know that Rahu, the lightning. So anyway, so one formula, just remember that ki Rahu Ketu are always friends. And second formula which you have to understand, if you want to write it down, though I have given you earlier, that is Sun Moon Rahu Ketu's syndrome, I call it. So SMRK. So what it is just try to understand and you will get it. Sun la Rahu full grahan deto. So write Sun here and write Rahu and uske niche Ketu. So Rahu gives 100% grahan to it. Okay, and Ketu gives 50% grahan to Sun. So if you want to see the dots, from both the Sun will be red only, towards red. Both will give a red band only towards Sun because both are inimical towards Sun. But Sun will give a red to Rahu and a blue to Ketu. Barabar? And the exact opposite happens in Moon. So where Moon is there, Ketu gives full grahan to Moon and Rahu gives half grahan to Moon. So take डोळ्यासमोर घ्यायला पाहिजे. There is no way of remembering that. You can just remember that Rahu and Sun, RS, Rajya Sabha, लक्षात ठेवा पाहिजे. So RS are full grahan. So Ketu obviously is half grahan. आणि इकडे म्हटलं तर Moon and Ketu, MK Gandhi. MK Gandhi and Rajya Sabha असं लक्षात ठेवा पाहिजे. So Rajya Sabha is full ground. So red, काय म्हणतात त्याला, Rahu and Sun are red. Obviously Ketuच्या तिकडे blue येईल. And MK Gandhi, the MK, Moon and Ketu are red. And Moon पासून Rahu will be blue. Okay. So if you see the chart, you will see that over there. So this I didn't want to question you on that. Now let us do one thing. तुम्ही लोक एक रॅन्डमली कुठलाही रिलेशन सांगा and we'll take it up from there. Don't tell the relation, tell me the planets and then we'll take. Just randomly विचार करा आणि सांगा कोणाचं काय वाटतं. There is one difficult one which I might need to help you out, which is basically Mars and Ketu, uncle and nephew. I'll tell you that because that might be difficult and you might then remember something wrong. It is more like, you know, two males fighting म्हणतात ना तसं. Alpha male म्हणतात तसं, two males, male and woman and two male. Basically काय की the sun He's very angry with the uncle. Firstly, because he's a nikamma and he's living off his father's money, that's there. But तो असं म्हणजे दारू पीत असेल किंवा काहीतरी करत असेल, so you know तो चिडचिड होते. He's a young guy, so he doesn't like that. And the uncle is neutral towards the girl because she's on her own trip. This fellow is nagging him all the time. की तू कशाला हे करतो, तू काय दारू पितो, तू माझ्या बापाचा आहे कशाला. So he hates him. So it's a hate relationship. So from Mars to Ketu, it is a hate both ways. So the uncle hates the nephew and the nephew hates the uncle. एक डोळ्यासमोर पिक्चर ठेवून घ्या. So you can say that it's a male to male sort of reaction instead of a male to female वाला reaction. So male to male वाला तर तिकडे त्यांची टक्करच आहे. Okay, and the kid hates the uncle because he's a nikamma, and the uncle hates the kid because he's always troubling him. Okay, now you all take up any relationship and then I'll help you and we'll answer it. Just take any relation.
Venus to Mars.
Okay, Venus to Mars. This one thing I forgot to tell you. Good. Venus is my wife and Mars is my younger brother. So my wife is younger than me and my brother is younger than me. I forgot to tell you, they are both batchmates. So they are on par. So they are neutral. Both is blue. Barabar, no? Okay. Take any other relation. Don't look at the thing. Just think and take the relation. If you want, see that cartoon in front of you and then talk. Keep that cartoon which I'm giving you in front, and then just pick up any random thing, and then I'll tell you how to go about it. Shruti, pick up a pair and tell.
Venus.
Rishikesh?
Moon to Venus.
Moon to Venus. Okay. So moon is who? My mother. Venus is my wife. Typical Hindi cinema thing. The mother hates the daughter-in-law because now in this case, she has taken the son away from the mother, typical syndrome. And second thing, if you remember, the wife is a very outgoing, bibbing type of a thing. And her son, that is me, Shravan Bal, Shana Mulga. So she hates her entire lifestyle only. Okay, but a typical daughter-in-law telling the mother, Tham, I am in control. So no love, no hate, blue. Neutral. Okay, Hindi cinema typical.
A Sun and Venus.
Sun and Venus, that is me and the wife. Typical takkar, because this is Shravan Bar and she is modern. So red. Jagda. Any relation more? Lelo. There are lots of comments. I think there are some 100.
Venus to Sun पण झगडा आहे ना.
सन ते म्हटलं ना दोन्ही टक्कर ना रेड म्हटलं सन टू विनस टू दोघे झगडा कारण हा श्रावण बाळ आणि ही फटाकडी आहे असं झालं म्हणून मी फोटोज पण तसे टाकले त्याला साधा शर्ट पॅन्ट मध्ये दाखवले आणि तिला सुद्धा स्कर्ट बीट मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे ओके वी हॅव फॉरगॉटन ज्युपिटर टू मर्क्युरी काय मला सांग देर आर टू वेज इन विच यू कॅन लुक एट ज्युपिटर टू मर्क्युरी व्हॉट इज ज्युपिटर
मर्क्युरी मध्ये ज्युपिटर मर्क्युरीला न्यूट्रल देणार बिकॉज ही रिस्पेक्ट्स राईट
परफेक्ट
आणि मर्क्युरी ज्युपिटरला पण न्यूट्रलच देईल कारण or if she loves or a friend.
He's a simple man. एक लक्षात घ्या. He's a simple man. The wife is a capable woman, mother. This guy is a simple man. So what happens is a simple man कसा कपडे असतो बनियन आणि हाफ पॅन्ट मध्ये किंवा धोतर आणि त्याच्यामध्ये घरात बसलेला आहे. This girl comes wants to get all her friends over and have a drink or a smoke over there and हा हॉल मध्ये बसलेला असतो पंचा घालून. So she hates him की बाबा निघ नाही इकडून कशाला मध्ये पडलेलं आहे. The grandmother I said is a capable woman, so you know she's kartapra. So ते आलेलं दिसलं की she might move out, but this guy is a simpleton. तो बसलेला असतो बाबा तुम्ही खेळा ना काय पण. But you know she hates. So that Mercury to Jupiter is a hate. Check that out if you want. It's a red to blue. I won't go wrong. Unless Lal Kitab decides to change the relationship, this will never go wrong. Okay, any other relation? Give. Just there. Your daughter is there with you. Mercury. Chal, तुझंच घे. तुझंच पाठचं घे. Mercury to हे घे. Mercury to Venus घे. What is Mercury to Venus? Tell me. I think I'd already given the hint of.
Yeah, we've already done this.
Okay, we have done that. Okay. एक करून सांगा ना तुम्ही म्हणजे so that we don't have to depend on one person. Prithiben, give a choice. What do you want? You're mute.
I think once we go by the story and look at it each time, it
Yeah.
will be very clear.
Yeah.
Because right now, just listening to you, once we are able to more or less comprehend.
That's what I'm saying. Na? Maybe Shruti and Trupti and Rishikesh can just give out some options, then we'll work on that. So to me, take the responsibility of just pushing some questions here.
Rahu to Venus.
Okay, Rahu to Venus. Okay, so Venus is who? The wife. This is a good one. No? This is a difficult one. Good thing you got it. Rahu is Dhua. Okay, now the wife Venus looks at Dhua with red, enemy. Why? Because she is not a bad character lady. She might want popping and here, but she doesn't want to get into the nasha sort of a thing. So for her, this one is a nasha. But this one wants to control her. Dhua wants to control her because once he gets her in control, then he can enter the family. She's like a watchman over there. So that will be a blue wala thing towards her. So barabar hai, just check this. I just want to cross check this. So Rahu to Venus looks at Rahu as enemy, and
दोन्ही red है.
only red as it. Correct. Only red because this one also looks at her as an enemy. Rahu looks at the wife as an enemy because she is stopping him from entering into the family to make everyone a drunkard with her. And she wants to stop that fellow. त्यामुळे तसं राहूचं तसं you can look at it that way. Correct? Good one. This was a difficult one.
Venus to Ketu राहिलाय.
Venus to Ketu. Venus is, okay, Venus to Ketu. If you remember, I had said that the sun is a very good boy. I forgot one specifically about the Mama's boy, I was going to say, which I had said.
Yeah, you said, you told.
So Mama's boy means green. Na? Mother will always love the child. The son also loves the Mama's boy. Now take it the other way around. This is another funny thing. Sun to Ketu.
Sun to Ketu.
There are two ways of looking at it. One, I've already told you that syndrome, Sun, Moon, Rahu, Ketu is a syndrome. So te tachani pakda, and I'll tell you another one, typical.
Okay, so 50% ग्रहण है तर
Correct. So Sun to Ketu.
Sun will try to control his son.
नहीं, if you remember, एक मिनिट लक्षात घ्या. See, Sun and Moon एका बाजूला असणार, राहू केतू असणार, असं काहीतरी होणार. ते एक लक्षात ठेवा, Sun Moonच्या तिकडे रेडच येणार. Because Rahu Ketu always want to bombard that. So इथे रेडच येणार. इकडे either or blue red येणार. Okay, so we are looking at Sun and we are looking at Ketu. So इथे Sun कडे रेडच येणार हमेशा. केतू कडे रेड येणार की ब्लू येणार? केतू gives half ग्रहण.
Blue येईल ना.
Blue येणार. Correct?
blue.
Okay. Now another way, like Hindi filmy way, बघायला पाहिजे असेल, तर you can look at this way. That the son hates the father because the father is always working. किंवा आजी आजोबांच्या पाठी लागतो, माझ्याबरोबर खेळायला त्याला वेळच नसतो. He hates that fellow. की तुझा वेळच नाही आमच्याकडे. Typical, typical way. While the father, though he wants to love him, he can't love him or hate him. He can't hate him because he's his child. He can't love him because तो त्याला किस करत असतो. So he's neutral towards him. So you can look at it that way, or you can look at it as the Sun Moon Rahu Ketu syndrome. That is a better way of remembering. ते एकदा डोळ्यासमोर आलं ना, सन मून रेडच, राहू केतू टक तो RS राज्यसभा आणि MK गांधी MK ते डोक्यात. Okay, take some other relation now. Rishikesh, put up some relation. Just randomly pick up two and just काही डोक्यात येतं ते टाक समोर. In fact, all three of you do one thing, write down the 9 planets and just
Ketu and Saturn.
Ketu and Saturn. Okay. So Ketu and Saturn. Saturn, नाही पण केतू सॅटर्न तुला ते दिलंच होतं ना, ज्युपिटर राहू केतू सॅटर्न. सो दे विल
Mercury Ketu.
Theoretically.
Mercury Ketu.
एक मिनिट पण एक मिनिट हा केतू सॅटर्नचा दिलीप काका अजून आय टेल यू वन मोर थिंग हाऊ आय थॉट ऑफ इट. केतू इज द यंग किड and Saturn is the हे काय म्हणतात त्याला वर्क मेहनत. ही इज टू यंग फॉर मेहनत, त्यामुळे त्यांचा काय देणं घेणंच नाही, तो न्यूट्रल. हा ऋषिकेश कुठला म्हटलं तू?
Mercury and Ketu. म्हणजे daughter and son.
Okay. Typical daughter and brother wala thing. Neither they can hate each other nor they can love each other at that age. At that age, it always भांडण पण कोणी त्याच्याबद्दल बोललं तर तिकडे मारायला पण जातं. So it's a neutral. One, एक आता एक दुसरे डिफिकल्ट वन माझ्या लक्षात आत्ता आलं होतं when दिलीप काका said that
Ketu and Saturn.
नाही थांब एक मिनिट, 1 मिनिट, बिफोर आय फॉरगेट तुझं लिहून ठेव तृप्ती. मून आणि सॅटर्न, this I have told you this. Let's see, moon is mother, Saturn is work or night.
Night.
The mother is night blind.
Night blind.
Night.
So for her, Saturn is enemy. So there will be a red towards Saturn. But Saturn काय म्हणतो, थांब. Saturn is न्यायाधीश. तो म्हणतो थांब, रात्र झाली, तू काम केलं तर झोप, थांब, let me control you. So blue.
अच्छा.
So moon to Saturn, blue to red. So mother being night blind, she said, तू झालं तुझ्यामुळे मला रात्री दिसत नाही, तर यू आर माय एनिमी. आणि तो म्हणतो तुझं दिवस झालेलं काम होतं, झोप, थांब. सो ब्लू. हा, तृप्ती कुठलं म्हटलं तुझं?
नाही कुठला नाही, मला वाटलं की केतू आणि सॅटर्नचं बोल.
केतू आणि सॅटर्न घे ना. केतू सॅटर्न आपण झालं मगाशी ना. ते
झालं.
मुलगा आणि मेहनत, त्याचं काय देणं घेणं काहीच नाही. ओके.
आणि Mars and Jupiter is going to be green only.
We are the buddies, no?
Yeah, okay.
Me and my brother and father are buddies, so always green. तर कळलं. तर हे बेसिकली, नाव दॅट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस लॉजिक, नो, you see that tutorial wala video properly again. There are two of them. One where I've described the family, and one where I've described actually each and every relation. म्हणजे 1 to 8, 1 to 8, 1 to 8. बरोबर ना? Out of 9 planets, one fellow is out, and his relation with the other 8 is there. बरोबर की नाही? So just see that once or twice. I can assure you, एकदा ते डोक्यात सेट झालं ना, you just have to think of this story and the answer will come out. I have just done it once, and हे सगळं मी आन्सर केलं without anything in front of me.
So Manish, this story is very important for Lal Kitab to understand. त्यांचं आपापसातलं रिलेशन or predicts something.
नाही, कसं होतं माहितीये, सी लाईक आय टोल्ड यू इन द फर्स्ट दिस थिंग ओनली, इन लाल किताब नक्षत्र गेलेले आहेत, राशी आर ऑल्सो मोर ऑर लेस नॉट देअर ओनली. सो इट ऑल रिव्हॉल्व्स अराउंड प्लॅनेट्स अँड हाऊसेस.
Okay.
प्लॅनेट्सचं कारकतत्व आणि हाऊसेसचं कारकतत्व. आता प्लॅनेट्स मध्ये लाईक यू सॉ, ते 4 धामचं त्याचं पोझिशन आहे, त्याचं मस्नुई ग्रहाचं हे आहे, आणि त्याचं हे जसं केलं एनिमिटी आहे. सो वेन वन प्लॅनेट aspects another planet, all these things have to come into play. हा उच्च मध्ये आहे की हा उच्च मध्ये आहे, हा उच्च मध्ये आहे आणि हा नीच मध्ये आहे, तर ते कसं होणार? म्हणजे नो, इट्स बॅड टू गुड म्हटल्यासारखं. आर दे फ्रेंड्स? इफ दे आर फ्रेंड्स, इकडे ऍस्पेक्ट वेगळा होतो. इट इज नॉट लाईक 180 डिग्री म्हणतो आपण, मी तुला मारतो तू मला मारतो, तसं नाही आहे. इथे इट इज मोर ऑफ अ कनेक्शन. सो इफ इवन एट 180 डिग्रीज देर इज फ्रेंड टू फ्रेंड, दे आर बेनिफिटिंग इच अदर. जसं तुला आठवत असेल, लाईटचं 3 to 11 and 3 to 9 तो ते हे आहे. सो बेसिकली इफ 3 and 11 my friends are seated, they will help each other. जसं माझं आता मी हे इकडे कड घातलं, जसं तांब्याचं कड. तांब्याचं कड इज सन. माय ज्युपिटर इज इन द 11th हाऊस. आता नीट लक्षात घे, 11th हाऊस मध्ये माझं ज्युपिटर आहे, 3rd हाऊस एम्प्टी आहे, 9th हाऊस एम्प्टी आहे. सो नो कनेक्शन इज फॉर्म. त्याला ह्याला सोया हुआ ग्रह म्हणतात. हा झोपलेला आहे, ज्युपिटर किस्मत झोपलेला आहे. त्याला जर जागा करायला पाहिजे तर त्याला देर हॅज टू बी सम प्लॅनेट इन फ्रंट हू विल सॉर्ट ऑफ प्ले पिंग पॉंग विथ हिम. तर इफ आय पुट, आता इकडे ज्युपिटर आहे, ज्युपिटरचा एनिमी असं कोण आहे का की तो त्याचा एनिमी आहे? जस्ट ना, आता ह्याच्यावर मला सांग ना, आजोबाचा एनिमी कोण आहे? द ग्रँड डॉटर. ग्रँड डॉटर मर्क्युरी झालं. मर्क्युरी म्हणजे ग्रीन लिफी प्लांट झालं. तर मी ग्रीन लिफी प्लांट माझ्या घराच्या 3ऱ्या राशीमध्ये ठेवलं, विच इज नॉर्थ वेस्ट. तर नॉर्थ वेस्ट मध्ये टाकलं तर काय होईल? मर्क्युरी 3rd हाऊस मधून 11th हाऊस ज्युपिटरला काय देईल? नेगेटिव्ह हिट देईल ना.
निगेटिव्ह हिट देईल.
सो आय शुड नॉट हॅव दॅट. पण मला पॉझिटिव्ह हिट द्यायचं आहे. तर ज्युपिटरचा बेस्ट फ्रेंड कोण आहे? बडी कोण आहे? माझ्या वडिलांचा बेस्ट फ्रेंड कोण आहे? मी आहे, किंवा मार्स असू शकतो. बट सन इज ऑलवेज अ सेफ प्लॅनेट. त्यामुळे पुटिंग सन इन द 3rd हाऊस विल गिव्ह अ पॉझिटिव्ह कनेक्शन टू द 11th हाऊस.
बरोबर.
हे दोन्ही झाले बरोबर. त्यामुळे हा तांबा इन 3rd हाऊस इज एरोप्लेन, इफ यू रिमेंबर, गिव्स अ डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन टू द 11th हाऊस, ज्युपिटर. सो ज्युपिटर जागा झाला, असं झालं ते. आता ते बघू काय होतं, तर पुढचं बघू. मी केलं तर आहे, जागा झाला किस्मत तर ठीक आहे, होईल.
Can it also mean ancestor?
कोणचा?
Only, not only father, but ancestor or teacher. Jupiter.
Jupiter is guru also, no? Guru,
Yeah.
ancestors, seniors. But in this case, I've kept him as the grandfather. Okay. Because Jupiter is considered as a wise old man in Buddhism.
Yes.
And Jupiter is the god of imparting knowledge.
Hmm.
तर नॉर्मली हे जे पापी ग्रह आहेत तर ते का त्याच्यावर शांत होतात बिकॉज दे आर ही इज द गुरु.
Yes.
हे किती चॅम्पियन असले तरी ते चेलेच आहेत
Hmm.
त्यामुळे तर त्याच्या समोर ते न्यूट्रल होऊन जातात.
I
So
think
it's already working for you.
सॉरी.
So it's already working for you. Your Jupiter is already active, isn't it?
मे बी
It's-
या दॅट इज दॅट. कारण हे सगळं जे घडायला लागलं ते बोलतो त्याच्यामुळे होतं बिकॉज इट इज नॉट म्हणजे इट्स नॉट दॅट आय एम नॉट केपेबल ऑफ दॅट बट दिस इज समथिंग टोटली न्यू. इट इज नॉट माय रेग्युलर बॉल गेम. सो एनिवे हे जे आहे ना दिस स्टोरी आय हॅव गॉन थ्रू इट अराउंड 20-30 times. And I have realized that if you understand the story and the correct picture comes in front of your eyes here, so what you do is, हे ते स्टोरीचं ते व्हिडिओ बघून घ्या नीट. See the other video, and then you keep questioning yourself, and then cross-checking it with that green-red chart which I've given you, that ball-wala chart, dewdrops, which I call dewdrops, the dewdrops-wala chart. Actually, all this will become totally clear. And once you know this, then we can now what from next time now we'll take a let's say a half an hour session of the new techniques and half an hour session of revision. कारण ते करत राहायला पाहिजे. सो ते 4 धामचं ते कारण ते पण लक्षात राहायला पाहिजे.
Yeah.
मीरा आली तर बायको आणि मुलावरती हे झालं. फायनली मरायला पोहोचला तर बायको आणि मुलगा पोहोचला, मीरा पळून गेली. मग ते सगळं ते पुन्हा बोलू ना. सो वेन यू सी अ प्लॅनेट, दॅट प्लॅनेट सीटेड ओव्हर देअर and see you have to understand one thing actually. I think Trupti asked मगाशी की when you are doing the analysis, आता कसं हे ग्राउंडवर्क झालं. नाउ व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डुइंग एनालिसिस, when two planets are either seated in युती or aspecting each other, okay, how do they react? That is one thing. की हा प्लॅनेट बसलेला आहे, हा लेट अस से ज्युपिटर आहे, हा समजा किस्मत आहे. किस्मत समजा 3ऱ्या घरात बसलेला आहे आणि 11व्या घरामध्ये आणि 9व्या घरामध्ये त्याचे एनिमीज बसलेले आहेत. तर त्याला दोन्हीकडून बाण लागतोय ना, तो नाश होतोय. तर एकाला कोणाला तर काढायला पाहिजे की ह्या दोघांना काहीतरी हलवायला पाहिजे. दॅट इज वन थिंग. सेकंड थिंग इज सपोज ज्युपिटर तिकडे बसलेला आहे पण ज्युपिटर त्याच्या पक्क्या घरामध्ये बसलेला आहे. कुठला लेट अस से 9व्या घरात बसलेला आहे, पक्का घरात बसलेला आहे, प्लस स्वराशीमध्ये पण बसलेला आहे. पण त्या ज्युपिटरमुळे काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम होतो असं समजा लक्षात आलं. तर मग कसं करणार? ज्युपिटर इज मेड अप ऑफ व्हॉट? Jupiter is the father. Father के जिंदगी में 2 औरत, one is his wife which is Venus and one is the daughter which is Mercury. तर त्या घरामध्ये व्हीनस किंवा मर्क्युरीचं काय लफडं आहे का बघायला. इन द 9th हाऊस व्हीनस किंवा मर्क्युरीचं काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? सो बेसिकली तिकडे व्हीनस आणि मर्क्युरी कुठे येतच नाही. पण तिकडे उच्च कोण आहे? तिकडे केतू आहे. केतूचं आणि व्हीनस आणि मर्क्युरीचं काय लफडं का बघायला पाहिजे. You know, at the moment, see, I am telling you the exact line, this thing, but माझं पण अजून कॅल्क्युलेशन थोडं फास्ट होत नाही. बाय ना वी शुड हॅव रिअलाइज की ज्युपिटरला जर तिकडे हलवायचं, ज्युपिटर आपण हलवू शकत नाही तिकडून कारण इट इज इन द पक्का राशी. सो तिकडे वील हॅव टू मूव्ह आयदर व्हीनस ऑर मर्क्युरी फ्रॉम देअर. सो देअर वी हॅव टू सी तिकडे उच्च राशी कोणाची आहे? केतूची आहे. केतूचा आणि व्हीनस, आता लेट्स टेक दॅट एज अन एक्झाम्पल. केतूचा आणि व्हीनस आणि केतूचा आणि मर्क्युरीचं रिलेशन सांगूया. केतू इज द ब्रदर, मर्क्युरी इज द डॉटर. सो दे आर न्यूट्रल, नो लव नो हेट, भाऊ बहीण. मर्क्युरी केतू इज द सन अँड व्हीनस इज द मदर. दे आर व्हेरी गुड. मम्माचा चमचा म्हटलं होतं ते पण गुड. सो यू अंडरस्टँड. आय डोंट नो व्हॉट इज गोइंग टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस, पण to answer your question, basically this is how all these 3 charts are going to play when you start doing analysis. This is what I have seen. Echa pude I will not be able to convey anything when I am still not competent enough. Kaida tula Pruti, do you understand what it is? So basically, in simple words, if I were to tell you, it is a play of planets. It is entire play of planets. Koon kasं yete, काय करतंय, and same thing you have to use it for a remedy. त्या प्लॅनेटला कसं फिरवून त्या प्लॅनेटचं मसनोई ग्रह करून त्याचा कुठला ह्याला दूर करायचा, कुठल्याला ठेवायचं. जसं ते म्हणतात ना, सन मर्क्युरी आणि व्हीनस जेव्हा एकत्र आले ते बिल मुकाबिल कुंडली म्हणतात. तसं ते 7व्या घरामध्ये सन, मर्क्युरी आणि व्हीनस एकत्र आले तर काय होतं. सो बेसिकली कसं, मर्क्युरी, आता लक्षात घ्या नीट ऑल ऑफ यू, ओके. मर्क्युरी इज द डॉटर, व्हीनस इज द वाईफ, बोथ फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज बोथ आर आउट गोईंग, टन 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 टन. बरोबर. Mercury is the daughter, Sun is the father, so they are also okay, neutral and friendly, no enmity. But husband and wife, Shravan Bar and the modern lady, are at loggerheads. Barabar? Achha. Now, one very important thing over here is that if you see, Sun and Mercury are always together or one house here or there in anybody's chart.
Yes.
So basically, Mercury is the follower of Sun. Mercury जाऊन चिपकतो सनला. का? डॉटर आहे ना, डॉटर बापाला चिकटणार. बरोबर. शी माइट लव द मदर, बट ती जाऊन बापाच्याच मांडीवर बसणार. सो मर्क्युरी ऑलवेज चिपक्स टू दिस थिंग, अँड इट इज सेड दॅट इफ मर्क्युरी अँड सन आर मोर दॅन वन हाऊस अवे, देन देर इज सम प्रॉब्लेम इन दॅट चार्ट. तर मला फार डिटेल माहित नाही, बट दॅट इज द थिंग. सो इफ यू सी एनी डॅम चार्ट, यू विल सी आयदर सन अँड मर्क्युरी टुगेदर और वन हाऊस हियर और देयर.
Yes.
Now what happens is, when this comes together, okay, Mercury goes and attaches to Sun, and तिचा आणि Venus भांडण होतं. So Venus gets affected. Venus gets affected, my wife gets affected. That's why they say if there is a combination of Sun, Mercury, and Venus together, the wife of the native falls ill, or the spouse falls ill.
Please repeat.
Sun, Mercury and Venus जब एक साथ रहते हैं, तो Mercury जाके Sun को चिपकता है and Venus अलग हो जाता है. तो उसके वजह से because of the enmity, the Venus falls ill, the wife falls ill. Another way of looking at it is, if Sun and Venus are there, Sun and Mercury are there together, and Venus comes into play, ये दोनों में फूट पड़ सकती है. So basically what happens in the end, Venus gets affected. So the remedy for this, what is said is, तांबे के लोटे में हरे साबुत की दाल डाल के और तो कलई लगा के सील करके बहते पानी में छोड़ देने. बहता पानी इज मून, मून इज मदर, मदर के गोदी में इवन राहु केतु आके शांत हो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
सो सन एंड मर्क्यूरी, सन एंड मर्क्यूरी टुगेदर, आर देयर एनी मस्टनी बाय एनी चांस? सन एंड मर्क्यूरी मेक सैटर्न, राइट? नहीं, मार्स उच्च. Sun and Mercury, if you remember, Sun and Mercury is the least effort and Sun and Saturn is the maximum effort. You remember? Mars is effort. Sun is the one who does the effort, the father. So if in least effort, he gets most this thing. That's why it's a Mangal Uch. And बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है, goes to the end of the galaxy जास्ती. So it becomes Mangal Uch बन जाता है. So when you do Mars, when you do Sun, am I going too complex for all of you?
No.
No.
Fine.
समझ में आ रहा है ना? Basically. When you see the video once or twice, you'll understand. So basically, Sun and Mercury we are putting together. Sun and Mercury together makes Mars Uch, if you remember. And I'll remind you how I've done that. When we are looking at Mars का मसनोई ग्रह, I had said that Mars is effort. Family में सबसे ज़्यादा effort कौन करता है? बाप, ये Sun. Okay, Sun is, if you remember the line of sequence of planets are done, Sun was first. उसके पीछे मी था, मी मुझे मैं, तो मी is Mercury. So एफर्ट, सन का सबसे कम एफर्ट में अगर हो रहा है तो मंगल उच्च हो जाता है. एंड सन का एंड ऑफ द गैलेक्सी विच इज सैटर्न को जाता है, इतना मेहनत करना पड़ता है तो मंगल बंद हो जाता है. सो व्हेन यू पुट तांबे के लोटे में हरे साबुत की दाल, दैट इज तांबे का लोटा इज सन, हरे साबुत की दाल इज मर्क्यूरी, उनको एक में डाल दिया और उसके ऊपर कलई का टाका लगा दिया, तो यू पुट मर्क्यूरी एंड सन टुगेदर. चलो तुम बाप बेटी खुश रहो, निकल जाओ. बहते पानी में छोड़ दिया, मदर के गोद में डाल दिया, तो वीनस आबाद हो गई. तो वीनस द वाइफ का हेल्थ इंप्रूव होता है. So many times you can see that if in 7th house of somebody, Sun, Mercury and Venus are there, the wife might be affected, health of the wife might be affected.
Can I ask you something?
एक मिनट Shruti,
Yeah.
Pritiben is asking one.
So my younger son has Surya, Buddha and Shukra. That's Sun, Mercury and Venus together in the 8th house.
But he's not married as yet. No?
He is not. He doesn't want to marry. Since he was 7, 8 years old, he used to always say, "I'll never marry." Means he's been emphatic about it from such a small age.
But maybe we can look at it that way. कि Venus in the 8th house.
Hmm.
That's a no-no, right?
Sorry.
That's a no-no. म्हणजे
Huh.
Venus 8th house is of no, म्हणजे no obstacle, nothing like that. So maybe that is what it is coming to.
Means he was, since he was a young child, 6, 7 years old, he used to always say this. And all children say it.
No.
So we were just quiet. But he's never changed his opinion. Although so many times we have told him,
Huh.
even at the age of 40, if you feel like getting married or 60, we are not going to tell you no. But he says, why?
Huh.
So because you brought this topic, I thought I would share this.
Yeah, no, that's a good this thing. But basically ये जो बिल मुकाबिल कुंडली है ना, that they say is pertaining to the 7th house.
Yeah, okay,
That is pertaining to 7th house.
okay.
हाँ तो श्रुति क्या म्हणत होतीस?
Yeah, so you said that the wife falls in, correct? तो ये wife किसी की mother भी हो सकती है ना?
हाँ.
मतलब अभी मैं कैसे बोलूं? So I have a friend of mine.
Yeah.
I don't have his kundali. I'll ask for his kundali. So his mother is severely unwell. मतलब आधा life निकल गया, she's unwell. तो when you said wife also, she is somebody's wife, no? तो फिर किसका कुंडली में रहेगा ये लफड़ा?
म्हणून मी तुला स्टार्टिंगला म्हटलं होतं, it is my कुंडली or the native's कुंडली. That native becomes the sun. Then असं ते तसं हिशोब लावायला लागेल. So it is not like that. And दुसरा म्हणजे if the mother is falling ill, that तू जे लॉजिक लावतं that doesn't work, but still I tell you, it doesn't have to be that हे कॉम्बिनेशन व्हायला पाहिजे. Like for प्रीतीबेनच्या मुलाचं हे 8व्या ह्याच्यात आहे. So I don't think this बिल मुकाबिल कुंडलीचं formula works there. But if the wife is falling ill, that is Venus is falling ill, Venusला रेड कोण बाण कोण मारते? Moon. Mother-in-law hits the daughter-in-law red.
Yeah.
So maybe moon is hitting Venus and that your friend's wife is falling ill. कळतं तुला? नाही कळलं? I'll tell you.
So his mother is falling in. My friend's mother.
तू ते कॉम्प्लिकेट करून टाकलं. म्हणजे मदर म्हणजे the moon is falling ill असं
हा,
झालं.
कारण मी वाईफ म्हणजे असं पकडलं की somebody's wife.
नाही नाही, डोंट डू somebody. ह्या स्टोरी मध्येच खेळ. म्हणून मी तुला आधी म्हटलं होतं, if you stay in the story, no. So basically to answer your question, the moon is getting afflicted. Moon ला कोण मारतं? मला सांग, who's red to red for moon, not 50% red? MK.
एकतर मर्क्युरी तर आहेत
हा बरोबर.
आणि ते सॅटर्न.
नाही नाही, सन मून राहू केतूचं सिंड्रोमचं सांग ना मला. MK गांधी ना, M is मून, तर त्याला कोण मारतं?
केतू देणार 100% ग्रहण.
मून टू केतू इज रेड रेड. दोघे एकमेकांना टक्कर मारून दोघे एकमेकांना ठार करतात. सो बेबी इन हर चार्ट मूनला केतू मारत असेल किंवा केतू मून बरोबर बसला असेल.
मी मागवणार आहे तो चार्ट. आय वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट वेंट रॉंग.
सो ही आता तृप्ती टू आन्सर युअर क्वेश्चन, हे जे आता लास्ट 10 मिनिटाचं सगळं जुगलबंदी चालली आहे ना, दिस इज व्हॉट वी आर ऍक्च्युअली ॲट अ व्हेरी व्हेरी बेसिक लेवल. बट यु नो हे करून दे म्हणजे द वे दे टॉक ना दीज पीपल, द चॅम्पियन, दे कॅन टेल की तुझ्या ह्याच्यावरनं दे कॅन टेल तुझ्या नेबरच्या बहिणीच्या मुलाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्याचं तू सोल्युशन पण इथून देतो. असं देतात ते लोक. कसं करतं मला अजूनही नाही कळलं, बट आय अंडरस्टँड इट वन डे. बट म्हणजे जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट लाईक श्रुती सेड दॅट फ्रेंड्स मदर और समथिंग, दॅट इज नो बिग डील. यू कॅन टॉक अबाउट द मदर्स फ्रेंड्स सन, त्याचा काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे, यू कॅन टेल फ्रॉम दीज सिम्पटम्स. इतका पॉवरफुल आहे. That's why again coming back to this, what I said around 10 days back is knowing this grammar is the most important thing. कळतंय? Because once you know the grammar, you know the language, then you can. आता आपण जे करतोय ना धडपडतोय, that is actually very good this thing. You know, आता जसं प्रीतीबेननी म्हटलं ते सन मून ह्याचं, यु नो, और श्रुतीने काढलं ते. सो दिस इज हाऊ यू डू दॅट. की ज्युपिटर त्याच्या पक्क्या घरामध्ये बसला आणि ज्युपिटरचं जर रेमेडी करायचं तर कोणाला काढू तिकडून? मर्क्युरीला काढू की व्हिनसला काढू की ज्युपिटरला काढू? आणि चांगल्या घरामधून त्या चांगल्या प्लॅनेटला नाही काढतात आपल्याला. सो व्हॉट इज द रेमेडी? असं करायला लागतं.
So Jupiter, as you said, is the Kismet. So
Ah.
Jupiter anywhere is good.
नाही, ज्युपिटरचे ऑलरेडी ते 6 घरं आहेत ना त्याची दिलेली त्याला.
हा ओके ओके.
सेकंड हाऊस मध्ये तो पक्क्या घरात आहे, असं सगळं करते. 5व्या घरामध्ये पक्का घरात आहे, 9व्या घरामध्ये पक्का घर आणि हे आहे स्वराशी आहे, 10व्या घरामध्ये पक्का घर आहे, 12व्या घरामध्ये स्वराशी आहे आणि 10व्या घरामध्ये तो नीच आहे. तो आउट ऑफ 12 हाऊसेस 6 हाऊसेस मध्ये त्याचं तर चांगलं स्टँडिंग आहे ज्युपिटरचं. त्यामुळे ज्युपिटर इज अ व्हेरी पॉवरफुल प्लॅनेट आहे. सो यू हॅव टू लुक आफ्टर युअर ज्युपिटर ऍक्च्युली असं म्हणतात. इफ यू कॅन लुक आफ्टर युअर
असं
ज्युपिटर.
पण म्हणतात की एक ज्युपिटर चांगला असेल तर बाकी सगळे ग्रह उलटे गेले तरी चालतं असं काहीतरी.
असं नाही आहे, पण म्हणजे तरी पण ज्युपिटर बिईंग इन सो मेनी प्लेसेस इट इज इझिली ससेप्टेबल टू डॅमेज ऑल्सो. ते पण तसं पण बघायला पाहिजे. एका कोपऱ्यात बसला असला तर त्याला बाण लागणं चान्सेस आर लेस. तू 10 ठिकाणी जर हात पसरून बसली असली तर कुठेतरी हातावरी पडणार असं होणार. सो दिस स्टोरी आय होप याला इट हॅज गॉट इन टू हेड. ते जस्ट तो व्हिडिओ ट्युटोरियल जो आहे ना तो 1-2दा बघा. लेट द स्टोरी ऍक्च्युअली गेट इन टू युअर सोल and it will actually unfold this entire mystery. Otherwise, it will take 6 months to 1 year to just buy out this table at the rate at which we spend time on that. So, आता माझं काय म्हणणं आहे, हे जे नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हॉट विल डू इज ना, आता थर्सडे वेन वी मीट, ओके, हे जे तिन्ही गोष्टी आहेत म्हणजे ते 4 धामचं, मसनोईचं आणि हे फ्रेंडशिप एनिमिटीचं, ह्याचं आपण एव्हरी सेशन फॉर आय वुड से 15 मिनिट्स एव्हरी सेशन विल हॅव अ बॉम्बार्डिंग क्वेश्चन आहे. ओके, तर कुठले तर मी मध्येच ऑफबीट टाकेन. मी मसनोई मध्ये विचारेन, मध्येच मी 4 धामचं काहीतरी विचारेन, ओके, मध्येच मी काहीतरी ह्याचं विचारेन, काय ह्याचं फ्रेंडशिप वालाचं, ओके. अँड आय वॉन्ट यू टू आन्सर विथ दॅट लॉजिक. सो इफ इट इज अ मसनोई थिंग देन यू नो जसं मा के सोने के झुमके, मग ते ज्युपिटर आहे मून, असं लाईक दॅट. म्हणजे ते असं मला वाटतं की हे जर आपण एक 5-10 टर्न्स असे केले ना 15 मिनिट्स एव्हरी वन्स अ वीक ऍटलीस्ट, then it will permanently settle in the head. Then going to the advanced, because now this end of February, end of February grammar one portion is over. That is the basic thing is over. Now the advanced thing will start. So that is why I was in a hurry to learn all this before that. And advanced class मध्ये तो पुढचा माणूस काय बोलतोय ते तर मी डोकं खाजवत बसलो, तर it will not make sense. ठीक आहे.
Manish, 1 minute. Just give us the sequence. When we have to do the Char Dham.
Correct. Second is Masnui.
Masnui, yeah.
Third is today's story.
And story.
See, basically कैसा है ना, the planetaries में ना, these 3 charts govern the entire Lal Kitab. One is the Char Dham का thing. Second is the Masnui thing. And third is the friendship enmity वाला comparison. These 3 charts rule over the entire Lal Kitab.
Okay. Last time you told no Karak grahas also, and you understanding Karak most important.
कारक ग्रह म्हणजे this thing पक्का ग्रह जो बोलतो उसको
अच्छा.
significant है तो पक्का ग्रह.
Karak is पक्का, no?
नहीं, घर का पक्का ग्रह, like how we say significators में, like we say for example water is moon जैसा, so element को अपन कारक देते हैं, वैसे घर का कारक तत्व is a significator of the house, which is a new concept in लाल किताब जो अपना.
Yeah, that's why घर का पक्का ग्रह.
हाँ, घर का पक्का ग्रह is significator of that house. जैसे 8th house का माँ था, मर गया साला मर गया, so you know that मर गया साला, Mars and Saturn become 8th house का significators.
Yes.
So like that.
Okay.
And then everything starts to fall into place.
Right.
Anything else? Any other difficulties? Good, no? So I am very happy because ये जो complicated था, which normally people take 6 months to 8 months or a year, we have actually sort of resolved in 1 week.
Yes.
So I would genuinely request कि you all spend at least 10 minutes every day to at least 1 chart a day करो. 3 अगर नहीं कर सकते, I do 3 charts twice a day nowadays. This 3rd chart I have not done, but earlier 2 I do at least once or twice a day. I keep doing that. Or if I'm walking my dog also, दिमाग में कोई तो भी घर देखते हैं उसका 4 धाम बोलता है, ये घर बोलते हैं, मस्त नहीं घर दे. So then it will become part of your system. Then फट करके आ जाता है. So just do that every if required, if ऐसा बीच में suddenly also you all want to meet on a Saturday evenings or something, if it is possible for you all, we can make it twice a week also. मेरा Monday Tuesday का भी ये I think February end के बाद में वो बंद होने वाला है. I am not planning to continue with the Kuwarji का thing. Advance का. Preeti Ben, that I didn't tell you. The Kuwarji I am doing those Monday Tuesday का one.
Girl, but he wants to marry her. I spoke to Manish. I didn't tell him anything. I just said there's this mismatch. He told me they must be having something in threes in this particular corner of the house. And actually, just 6 months ago, they have brought 3 paintings, which he said multicolor and 3. So the paintings are multicolored flowers, और उसके बीच में ऐसे 3 frames है, बड़ी huge ones. And you know, a semi-dressed woman, थोड़ा एक खाली ऐसा कुछ ऊपर, back सब खुला, typical like that. You know how enticing women would be. The minute he told me, I told them immediately, you remove this. They were so shocked. How did this person know कि मेरे घर में 3 frame है, multicolored है, and in this place like direction. We just pray that this boy gets over this sad phase.
He'll get it. He'll get to it. But this all is it is all based on अपना कारक तत्व of the planets. So once as we are growing in this, time will come like one minute pause.